Poland has been supporting Ukraine to a great extent. It's taken in a huge amount of refugees and supplied Ukraine with arms. The country has again made an important move. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky announced during his visit to Warsaw on April 5, 2023, that Ukraine and Poland had agreed on a new military aid package, which includes the supply of 120mm self-propelled mortar systems. Polish President Andrzej Duda added that Poland would provide Ukraine with 3 batteries, that's 24 units, of RAK self-propelled mortars. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Poland-supplied RAK self-propelled mortars would be a lethal addition to Ukraine's arsenal. Let's get started. M120 RAK is a self-propelled, wheeled gun mortar equipped with an automatically loaded 120mm mortar mounted on a tracked SMG-120 M120G or wheeled SMK-120 M120K chassis designed by Huta Stylowa Wola, HSW. It's produced in Poland and used by Polish land forces. Serial production and the first delivery started in 2017. Work on the RAK mortar system started in 2006. The first prototypes were presented in 2009. The turret is armed with a 120mm breech-loaded mortar system with a barrel length of 3,000mm. The 120mm mortar has a rate of fire of 6 to 8 rounds a minute and a maximum firing range of 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles. The system can fire at an angle of elevation between -3 degrees and 80 degrees and can traverse 360 degrees. In addition to standard grenades, it can fire shells with a heat charge, smoke and lighting ammunition. The time of moving from the march position to the combat position is 30 seconds maximum. The firing position can be left within 15 seconds after the last grenade is fired. The mortar is fed by an automatic loading system, which holds 20 projectiles for immediate use, while 26 additional projectiles are stored in the crew compartment. The secondary armament includes a 7.62mm UKM-2000D machine gun equipped with basalt day-night gun sight. The complete RAK mortar system, apart from the latter, includes accompanying vehicles, artillery command vehicles (AWD), reconnaissance vehicles, technical and logistic support vehicles (ammunition vehicles), and armament repair vehicles (AWRU). The vehicle is equipped with a digital fire control system, including a thermal camera and a laser rangefinder, so it can work effectively during the day and at night. The data may, among other things, draw from the Fly-Eye unmanned aerial vehicle. The RAK mortar can fire remotely as an unmanned weapon using commands and data transmitted electronically to the vehicle's computer. Initially, the implementation of modern ammunition with a range of 10,000 meters, Polish RAK mortars use old OF-843B grenades for towed mortars, modernized with special fittings, with a weight of 16.02 kilograms and a range of 6,900 meters intended for training. The conflict has not been an easy one for any side. It's turned out to be a grueling ordeal for the men on the ground and a complex challenge for the respective military leadership. While Russia had a massive advantage in weaponry when the conflict began, Western supplies have helped Ukraine offset the balance to an extent. The protracted conflict is taking a toll on the Russian arsenal. Russia is now having to dig deep. We've seen even older T-55 tanks being pulled out of storage. In this situation, 24 units of RAK self-propelled mortars will be a lethal addition to the Ukrainian arsenal, since it's a versatile system and if used properly could inflict significant damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comments section. This will help us improve.